Hello and welcome. Before we begin our exploration today, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find it as fascinating as I think you will. Now, let us proceed. The vast and intricate tapestry of life on Earth never ceases to amaze. For millions of years, evolution has sculpted and molded creatures, equipping them with extraordinary abilities to survive in their most challenging environments. Join me now as we delve into the remarkable world of 7 animals that appear to defy death itself. Their secrets, hidden within their biology, reveal the astonishing resilience of life and challenge our very understanding of mortality. Our journey begins in the most unexpected of places, a droplet of water clinging precariously to a moss leaf. Here, smaller than a grain of sand, lives the tardigrade, a creature so resilient it borders on the supernatural. Don't be fooled by its diminutive size or its rather charming, lumbering gait. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, possesses an almost unbelievable ability to withstand conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms. Imagine, if you will, the unforgiving vacuum of space, devoid of oxygen and bombarded by lethal radiation. The tardigrade can not only survive this harsh environment, but can do so for decades, seemingly unfazed. How does it achieve this remarkable feat? The tardigrade has a remarkable ability to enter a state known as cryptobiosis. In this state, its metabolism grinds to a virtual standstill and its body dries out, appearing lifeless. But here's the incredible part. Reintroduce the tardigrade to water and within hours it springs back to life as if nothing had happened. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes, a testament to the sheer tenacity of life. The tardigrade's resilience extends far beyond the vacuum of space. These microscopic marvels can endure extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, crushing pressures found in the deepest ocean trenches, and even the intense radiation of a nuclear blast. In the face of such adversity, the tardigrade teaches us that life, even in its smallest forms, possesses an incredible will to endure. Our next encounter takes us into the realm of freshwater ponds and streams, where we find the unassuming planarian worm. At first glance, it may appear unremarkable, but hidden within its simple structure lies an extraordinary ability. The planarian possesses an uncanny talent for regeneration, a feat that would make even the most skilled magician envious. Cut a planarian worm in half and something astonishing happens. It doesn't die. Instead, it regenerates. Within days, each severed half transforms, growing into a complete and independent worm. It's as if the original worm has been cloned, resulting in 2 identical copies. But the planarian's regenerative powers don't stop there. Cut it into several pieces, and each fragment, no matter how small, has the potential to develop into a new, fully formed worm. It's a biological marvel, a testament to the incredible regenerative capacity of certain organisms. Scientists believe that this remarkable ability stems from the presence of special cells called neoblasts. These cells, scattered throughout the planarian's body, have the unique ability to transform into any other type of cell the worm needs. Imagine the possibilities if we could harness this regenerative power in humans. While we are far from achieving such feats, the humble planarian worm offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential of regenerative medicine. The planarian's ability to cheat death through regeneration is a powerful reminder that nature holds many secrets waiting to be unlocked. Our exploration of life after death takes us into the depths of the ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to have unlocked the secret of immortality, the Turritopsis dohrnii, more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny, transparent creature, no larger than a pinhead, possesses an astonishing ability. It can reverse its aging process. Imagine, if you will, turning back the clock on your own life, reverting to a younger, more vibrant version of yourself. The immortal jellyfish achieves this feat through a process called transdifferentiation. When faced with stress or injury, instead of succumbing to the ravages of time, it reverts back to its polyp stage, essentially becoming young again. Imagine a butterfly, instead of dying, transforming back into a caterpillar, only to emerge once more as a butterfly. That, in essence, is the life cycle of the immortal jellyfish, a continuous loop of rejuvenation. Scientists are still unraveling the complex mechanisms behind this remarkable feat, but it is thought that the jellyfish's cells have the ability to transform into different types of cells, effectively resetting its biological clock. The immortal jellyfish, with its ability to cheat death and live indefinitely, challenges our understanding of aging and mortality. It is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution, a reminder that nature still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. Our journey now takes us to the muddy rivers and lakes of Africa, South America and Australia, where we encounter a creature that seems to straddle the line between water and land, the lungfish. As its name suggests, the lungfish possesses a remarkable adaptation, the ability to breathe air. While most fish rely solely on gills to extract oxygen from water, the lungfish has evolved a modified swim bladder that acts as a primitive lung. This adaptation allows the lungfish to survive in stagnant, oxygen-depleted waters where other fish would perish. But the lungfish's survival skills go far beyond simply breathing air. During periods of drought, when rivers and lakes dry up, the lungfish burrows into the mud, secreting a cocoon of mucus to protect its body. It then enters a state of estivation, a form of dormancy similar to hibernation but triggered by heat and lack of water. In this state, the lungfish's metabolic rate plummets, its heart rate slows dramatically, and it survives on the energy reserves stored in its tissues. It can remain in this death-like state for months, even years, waiting for the rains to return. And when the water finally does return, the lungfish emerges from its muddy slumber, seemingly none the worse for wear. It's a testament to the power of adaptation, a reminder that life finds a way even in the most inhospitable of environments. Our next encounter takes us to the frozen forests of North America, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy the very laws of nature, the wood frog. As winter descends and temperatures plummet below freezing, the wood frog doesn't seek shelter in the depths of a pond or burrow deep underground. Instead, it simply allows itself to freeze solid. Yes, you heard that correctly. The wood frog can survive being frozen, its body encased in ice, its heart stopped, its blood no longer flowing. It's a remarkable feat, akin to a scene from a science fiction film. But how does it do it? As the wood frog begins to freeze, its liver goes into overdrive, producing massive amounts of glucose, which acts as a type of antifreeze, protecting its vital organs from damage. At the same time, the frog's cells dehydrate, drawing water out of their interiors and preventing the formation of ice crystals that could rupture their delicate membranes. The wood frog essentially becomes a living ice cube, its life force suspended until spring, and when the temperatures rise and the ice melts, the wood frog thaws out and resumes its life as if nothing had happened. It's a testament to the remarkable resilience of life, a reminder that nature is full of surprises. Our exploration now takes us to the harsh and unforgiving environment of salt lakes, where we encounter a creature that seems to thrive in conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms, the brine shrimp. These tiny crustaceans, no larger than a grain of rice, are masters of survival, capable of withstanding extreme salinity, intense ultraviolet radiation, and even periods of complete desiccation. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the brine shrimp's life cycle is its ability to produce eggs that can remain dormant for years, even decades, waiting for the right conditions to hatch. These eggs, known as cysts, are incredibly resilient, able to withstand extreme temperatures, drought, and even the vacuum of space. They are essentially tiny time capsules, preserving the potential for life in a state of suspended animation. When conditions become favorable, such as when a salt lake refills after a drought, the cysts hatch, releasing a new generation of brine shrimp into the world. It's as if time itself has been compressed, with generations of brine shrimp spanning decades or even centuries. The brine shrimp, with its ability to pause and restart life, teaches us that survival is not always about living in the present moment, but about adapting to changing circumstances and biding one's time until conditions are right. Our final encounter brings us face to face with a creature that is often met with disgust and revulsion, but which harbors remarkable survival abilities, the cockroach. These ancient insects have roamed the earth for millions of years, weathering countless environmental upheavals and outliving countless other species. Their resilience is legendary, and for good reason. Cockroaches possess an arsenal of survival mechanisms. They can withstand high doses of radiation, survive for weeks without food, and even hold their breath for an astonishing 40 minutes. But perhaps their most unsettling ability is their capacity to survive for a period of time without their heads. While a decapitated cockroach will eventually succumb to dehydration, it can live for several weeks, its body continuing to function even without a brain. This macabre feat is possible because a cockroach's nervous system is decentralized, meaning it doesn't rely solely on its brain to control its bodily functions. Even without a head, its body can still perform basic tasks, such as standing, moving, and reacting to stimuli. While the thought of a headless cockroach scuttling around might send shivers down your spine, it's a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. From the microscopic tardigrade to the seemingly immortal jellyfish, the natural world is replete with creatures that challenge our understanding of life and death. Their extraordinary abilities to survive extreme conditions, regenerate lost body parts, and even reverse the aging process serve as a testament to the sheer tenacity of life. These remarkable adaptations are a product of millions of years of evolution, shaping and molding life to thrive in even the most inhospitable corners of our planet. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the natural world, we can't help but marvel at the ingenuity and resilience of life. So the next time you encounter a seemingly insignificant creature going about its daily business, remember that it might just possess extraordinary secrets waiting to be unlocked. For in the grand tapestry of life, even the smallest and most unassuming creatures can teach us profound lessons about survival, adaptation, and the enduring will to live.